Hello everyone, welcome back to Mango & Coast Patterns, your destination to all things swimwear. My name is Marcy and I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to make amazing swimsuits. In today's video, we are sewing the Sophia pattern. This style features a sleek cut in the front and is a thong bikini bottom designed for minimal tan lines. Here are the supplies you will need to sew this pattern. If you don't have a serger, that's okay. A regular sewing machine and a zigzag stitch will do. If you need swimwear fabric and elastic, I got you covered. Check out my online shop at the link down below. Now, let's get started. This tutorial is quick, it's easy, and it's going to look amazing. Let's dive in. Place the front pieces together and the back pieces together, right sides facing each other. Next, serge the leg holes and the waistlines for both front and back pieces. Now, serge a 1/4 inch elastic onto the same areas. Apply the elastic onto the dominant side. The dominant side is the printed side. Serge the elastic with zero tension. Next, let's sew the straps. Fold the straps lengthwise and serge. Serge a 1/4 inch rubber elastic onto the straps with zero tension. Using a loop turner, flip the straps right sides out. Before inserting the straps, mark a 1/4 inch seam allowance as a guide on the front and back pieces. Next, verify that the seams on the straps are facing outwards. Using a loop turner, pull the straps up through the back piece. As you position the straps, verify that they match the angle of the corners. Verify that the straps are centered. Stitch across the following areas. Hold the strap into place like so. Start by placing the needle down in the middle of the strap, stitch forward, and then back stitch. Stitch over this area 3 times. Cut the excess seam off like so. Flip the back piece right side out. Place the back piece inside of the front piece. Connect the straps to the front piece. Verify that the straps aren't twisted. Please note that both self sides should be facing each other. Match the gussets and align the corners. Stitch across the following areas. Stitch across the gussets 2 times. Next, cut the excess seam. Seam rip a 1/2 inch hole in this area. Using this hole, flip the garment right side out. Blind stitch the hole by hand or use a discreet top stitch. And there you have it, the Sophia bikini bottom is now finished. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What swimwear pattern would you like to see next? Comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest sewing adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy sewing!